Have you ever seen those people who, when a massive, unforeseen crisis hits at work or the car breaks down miles from nowhere, very calmly start dismantling the problem instead of panicking or freezing like the rest of us? You know the type. The servers crash, the budget disappears, or the plumbing bursts, and while everyone else is hyperventilating, staring at the ceiling, or frantically looking around for an adult to save them, this person just takes a deep breath, rolls up their sleeves, and says, "All right, let's see what we're working with." It's almost annoying how grounded they are. While the normal reaction is a spike in cortisol and a desperate urge to run away, their reaction is to step closer to the mess. They poke at it. They ask questions. They don't seem to possess the freak out gene. Watching them operate in a crisis is like watching a mechanic calmly tune an engine while the car is on fire. It's easy to look at someone like that and write off their abilities as a genetic lottery win. Most of us think it's because of raw intelligence, a naturally high IQ, or just being born handy. We assume they have a special degree and encyclopedic memory, or that they were just lucky enough to be taught how to fix a radiator or troubleshoot a database when they were kids. But the truth is, it has nothing to do with innate talent or a specialized education. It's not about knowing all the answers in advance. Once you understand its roots, your whole perspective on the world, and your own potential to handle the chaos in your life changes. Because the secret of the person who knows how to fix everything doesn't lie in their hands or even in their intellect. It lies entirely in how their brain is wired to process the unknown. To understand this, we have to look at the mechanics of the human mind. Psychology, pioneered by researchers like Albert Bandura, has come up with a concept called self-efficacy. It means your deeply held internal belief in your own capacity to exert control over your environment and execute the behaviors necessary to achieve a goal. Let me break that down. Self-efficacy isn't confidence. Confidence is a general feeling of, "I'm great." Self-efficacy is highly specific. It's the quiet, subconscious certainty that says, "I have never seen this specific broken water pipe before, and I don't know exactly how it works. But I know that if I look at it long enough, trace the lines, and try a few tools, I am capable of figuring it out." It is the fundamental belief that you can interact with the physical and emotional world, and that the world will respond to your actions. Where does that unshakable belief come from? It doesn't appear out of thin air. It all starts with early childhood experiences of productive failure and secure exploration. Think back to the formative years. When a toy broke, a block tower collapsed, or a math problem seemed impossible, how did the adults in the room react? For the people who grow up to fix everything, their early environment allowed for safe tinkering. When things fell apart, a parent or caregiver didn't just rush in, snatch the broken pieces away, and buy a new one. Instead, they might have sat down and said, let's see why this broke." When that failure first happened, the brain learned that a broken system isn't a disaster, it's just data. They learned that the world is malleable. If you pull a lever, a gear turns. If you make a mistake, you can reverse engineer it. Their brain was trained to see cause and effect, rather than just overwhelming, terrifying chaos. As adults, this childhood wiring creates a completely different psychological framework for navigating life. What makes these people different is their incredibly high tolerance for ambiguity. When a crisis hits, there is a massive gap of missing information. Most human brains hate missing information. It triggers our survival instincts, screaming danger. But the fixer brain handles that gap differently. For them, a sudden disaster is not like a concrete wall they just slammed into, but like a tangled, messy puzzle. When you hit a concrete wall, your journey stops. There is nothing left to do but mourn the end of the road. But when you are handed a puzzle, your journey is just beginning. You don't need to know what the final picture looks like right away. You just need to find the corner pieces. They approach life's disasters piece by piece. They isolate the variables, they try one thing, see if it works, and if it doesn't, they don't feel defeated. They just cross one option off the list. It sounds like a superpower, doesn't it? To be the stoic hero who saves the day. But here's the thing. Sometimes this relentless drive to fix everything isn't about power or capability at all. Sometimes it's about a profound, hidden defense mechanism. Some people compulsively fix problems because they had no way to escape the terrifying helplessness of their past. Imagine growing up in a home that was unpredictable, emotionally volatile, or completely chaotic. For a child in that environment, learning how to fix the mood, fix the house, or fix their parents' mistakes was the only way to feel physically and emotionally safe. They became hyper-vigilant problem solvers because the alternative was falling victim to the chaos. When you see them calmly handling a crisis today, you might be seeing a trauma response. They have to fix it. Because their nervous system still secretly believes that if they don't control the environment will destroy them. So, there are two sides to this coin, the anxious fixer and the secure fixer. But the healthy version of these people, the ones we truly want to emulate, are those who act not out of a desperate fear of losing control, but out of genuine curiosity and a love for the path of discovery. For them, the goal is not just the final outcome of a perfectly repaired situation, but the fascinating process of figuring it out. They don't tie their self-worth to whether or not they successfully fix the engine or save the project. They simply enjoy the dialogue with the problem. If they fix it, great. If they can't, they calmly call in an expert, and they probably stand right next to that expert, asking questions, eager to learn how it's done for next time. They are driven by growth, not by survival. If you're listening to this and you feel like you definitely don't fit into this category, if your first instinct when things go wrong is still to freeze, panic, or look for an escape route, I want you to hear this. Remember that it's not a personality flaw. You aren't broken, you aren't weak, and you aren't lacking some essential human ingredient. It's just old history and outdated neural wiring. Your brain simply learned at some point in your past that problems were too big, too dangerous, or completely out of your control. Your panic is just your brain trying to protect you the only way it knows how. And the good news is that the architecture of the brain can be changed. Neuroplasticity means we can literally rewire how we respond to the unknown at any age. You can build self-efficacy, one tiny block at a time. You don't have to become a master mechanic or a crisis negotiator overnight. But if you want to break this cycle of helplessness and start building a brain that knows how to fix things, here is what you do. Next time a minor inconvenience happens, a zipper gets stuck, an app crashes on your phone, or a drawer won't close properly, do not immediately ask for help, and do not immediately walk away. Set a timer for exactly 3 minutes. For those 3 minutes, your only job is to be a detective. Don't even try to fix it right away. Just look at it. Ask yourself out loud, what is actually happening here? Where is the friction? What is blocking what? By forcing yourself to simply observe the mechanics of a problem without the pressure of immediately solving it, you train your brain to tolerate ambiguity. You teach your nervous system that a broken thing is not a threat. It's just a question waiting for an answer. And over time, you'll find that you are exactly the kind of person who knows how to find it. Thanks for watching. If this shifted how you see the fixers in your life, or how you see yourself, leave a comment below. Keep observing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.